Ride-on mowers have become an essential tool in everyday life, but with overuse, the locking gas spring at the base of the steering wheel can lose flexibility and fail. Today, we will provide detailed installation instructions for the locking gas spring located at the bottom of the steering wheel. The reason the locking gas spring is controllable is because of this spot on my finger. Pressing here allows the locking gas spring to extend outward. The end fitting is rotationally secured to this end of the controllable gas spring, and the handle is inserted into this slot, with the side with the slot facing the control end of the controllable gas spring. Tighten the fixing screws. Locking gas spring expansion and contraction can be adjusted by pressing down on the handle. Log in to www.gasstack.com. Click on Block Lift Ohm, where our advantages are described in detail. GasStack locking gas springs are of comparable quality to those from world-renowned suppliers. GasStack locking gas springs meet your requirements in terms of quality, delivery time, and cost. You will find the corresponding brand name of the locking gas spring for riding lawn mowers here. If you're unsure about options or need to explore alternative products, feel free to contact us for assistance and confirmation. Our product is used in steering wheels with adjustable features, such as those in tractors, and it also supports automotive steering wheel adjustments. The controllable gas spring can be adjusted upward by flicking the handle upward with your finger like this. If you want to adjust downward, press the handle and then push down on the steering wheel to compress the locking gas spring. Adjust it to the right angle like this. We will be uploading new videos continuously. Subscribe to see all our latest content.